In this question, you have to identify the mismatch pair. Option A, Cycas is to dioecious. Now, this is true because Cycas is dioecious. That is, male and female reproductive structures are present on separate plants. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, Salvinia is to heterosporous. This is also true because Salvinia is heteroporous. That is, producing two types of spores, microspores and megaspores. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, Equisetum is to homosporous. This is also true because Equisetum, that is the horsetails, is homosporous. That is producing only one type of spore. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, Pinus is to dioecious. Now, this is not true because Pinus is monoecious. That is, male and female reproductive structures, here they are represented with cones, are present on the same plant. Hence, it is the correct option.